Hello everyone, welcome to another Runaway AI tutorial video. Today I will show you how to turn text to video with AI. Actually, this feature is in Runaway AI early access. So if you want to have this feature to turn text to video with Runaway AI, then you will have to join the waitlist right here. As you can see, this is a text to video waitlist. Edit video with natural language. Sign up for Runaway's new AI magic tool. So as you know, Runaway has magic tools right here, and they already have a lot of magic tools right here, but they do not have yet text to video tool, right? So this tool is a highly anticipated tool, and it will probably be released soon. I'm not sure what date, right? But I can say that this tool is has been widely anticipated, right? And as you can see here, you have a lot of different tools like adding green screen background, blurring the background of the video, right? Motion tracking, upscaling an image, scene detection, blurring the faces, stuff like that. Like, you have a lot of different options here, but obviously text to video is still not available. So if you want to go, just join the waitlist. You will be brought to this form right here, and here you will be able to have an early access to Runaway's AI magic AI tool, which is called turn text to video or text to video, right? And here you will be able to basically get the access, right? Obviously, not sure who they're letting in, but this is pretty much how you can get it. Hope this video was informational for you. If it was, leave a like down below and subscribe for more videos like this in the future. Thank you guys for watching.